What's up, guys? It's your boy. Got my whole bike set up here. Not gonna tell you guys quite yet everything. Just gonna build it up and then I'll show you guys at the end. Alright. But first, I'm gonna put this bottom bracket in. I'm not gonna show you guys that because it's gonna be cringy, but I will show you the frame real fast. And then we'll just time-lapse the rest of the build. So we got the frame right here. All right, let me build her up. Alright guys, the bike build is finally complete. Here's my brand new bike. Let's run through it. So on this bike, I'm reusing 3 parts. The seat, the cranks, and the sprocket. These are all getting changed later on. So these are all from my old bike. If you haven't seen my old bike check, these are the parts that were used on that bike. But let's start with the top. So I have ODI long neck grips, 160 millimeters, I believe. So extra long. Got the snfau brake lever. We have a K-Slick Odyssey cable going all the way down. We have a snfau Jackson bars in chrome, 9.25 rise. We have a RNC super light stem with titanium bolts. Then we have carbon fiber spacers to make the bike even lighter. Then we have the snfau, I think it's called the funnel or Frenel headset in polished. Then we have the snfau magical forks in chrome as well. Then we have the wheels, which is a G-Sport birdcage rim with, I believe it's BSD stainless steel spokes, and a profile mini with aluminum inserts and titanium bolts with Maxxis tires. That's both front and back. I also have, for the back, is a titanium driver. I've done a sound check on that, so if you guys want to see what they sound like, you know, you guys can hear that out. Also, I missed these. These are RNC titanium bar ends, because I don't like my rubber ones breaking. Then we have a Hyper snfau. Well, I guess they are like a collaborated company, but I have a Hyper Wizard frame in 20.4. I'm a shorter guy. I used to ride the 21.25, so it's a little bit too long for me, so I decided to get a shorter frame, and it feels way better. So yeah, I got 20.4 Hyper Wizard frame in chrome. If we go further down, we have a Odyssey Evo 2 2.5 brake kit with clear brake pads, because I don't want to rub my finish off my wheels, and it sticks really good. If we go down here, we have the, I believe this is the Shadow half-link chain in silver, matches the chrome. Then we have a Colony 19 mil bottom bracket in red. And then we have our snfau anorexic pedals, which I bought all this stuff in mind for this build later on. So as you can see, there's a lot of snfau. I'm changing the seat to a snfau solo padded seat, and I'm also changing the cranks to a Mayweather cranks in chrome, and the sprocket is going to be a profile sprocket. Let's see if we, well, that's actually about it, guys. You know, there's not really that much to a bike. You know, you got all these parts. Already went through it. We're gonna get some riding later today. That's gonna be in a separate video. But I hope you guys enjoyed my little build and bike check for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.